Okay, this next one is a montage of a couple different songs that you'll recognize. First one's a Simon and Garfunkel song. The second one is an Eminem song. He's been in the news lately, so it's actually kind of good timing. We've parodied them a little bit. You might recognize a few of the words have changed. In fact, the second one, the primary author is no other than Donald Trump himself. So, with that, I'll pass it off to Simon.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to tweet with you again. And my opinions, I've got quite a few. Read them closely for a special view of me, the man that women can't refuse. They're all my views, and they're confirmed vaginas. In the naked mirror I see the king that I was born to be. The real truth is that I'm God on earth, and I'm the product of a virgin birth. And if you disagree, you're a victim of fake news or feminist shrews. It's facts of pseudoscience. I love distraction, hear me talk. My full intention is your shock. You'll think I'm zagging when in fact I zig. You're probably hoping this is my last gig. But reality is a thought that lives in your head until you're dead. In peace the sound of your sight.
One of the highest, and you all know it. Please don't feel so stupid or insecure. It's not your fault. I will build a great wall, and nobody builds walls better than I do, believe me. And I will build it very inexpensively. I will build a great, great wall on our southern border. I will get Mexico to pay for it all. Mark my word. I said, if Ivanka were my daughter, then perhaps I'd be dating her. Snap back to reality, no. Climate policy, no. Not diplomacy, no. We have won't give up easy. Nope, I won't have it. I know you have it fast. It really don't matter. We shower, we was flattering. The beauty of me is that I'm very rich. Find myself in the White House, oh, this is bogus. How I got here, no one knows. I really don't know why I got this reality show. Opportunity comes with endless airtime. I find myself in the White House. Oh, this is bogus. How I got here, no one knows. I truly don't know why I got this reality show. Opportunity comes with endless airtime. Ethics escape, facts of wisdom forsaken. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move forward. A new world order. A business life is boring but presidential life is close to post-mortem. I'm my favorite Potter. My scar burns hotter. I raise a thermometer with tweet another father. Everyone knows bogus. How I got here, no one knows.
Yo!
Really don't know
But I got this reality show. Opportunity comes and there's airtime.
No more games, I'm gonna change it to call rage. Till the motherfucking mood loud like two dogs caged. I was playing in the beginning, the mood all changed. I would shoot up, spit out, moved off stage. But I kept tweeting, it goes right in the next cycle. The best believe someone pays the fight. You know, I'm automatically attracted to beautiful. I just start kissing them. It's like a magnet. You just kiss. I don't even wait. And when you're a star, they let you do it. You can do anything. Grab them by the pussy. You can do anything. We should be focusing on beautiful, clean air. Not on this wasteful and very expensive global warming bullshit. China knows they're hurting our air. You know, it really doesn't matter what speed you write, as long as you got a young and beautiful piece of ass. My fingers are long and beautiful, as it has been well documented. Are various other parts of my body? Find myself in the White House, bogus. How I got here, no one knows. Truly don't know why I got this reality show. Opportunities come with endless airtime. Find myself in the White House, bogus. How I got here, no one knows. Truly don't know why I got this reality show. Opportunities come with endless airtime. When Mexico sends their people, they're not sending their best. They're not sending you. They're sending people with lots of problems. They're bringing drugs. They're bringing crime. They're rapists. And some might think we're good people. It's freezing and snowing in New York. We need global warming. 26,000 unreported sexual assaults in the military. Only 236 victims. What does Jesus expect when they put men and women together? I could stand in the middle of Fifth Avenue and shoot someone, and I wouldn't lose any voters. Why can't we use nuclear weapons?